Hey guys, it's Sydney here again from Empire Chrome. We wanted to show you all this truck Michael brought in for us to work on. He's been a loyal customer with us for about 10 years, and he just got this one for us to work on. All right, let me show you what we've done so far. We've added these Roadworks lights on both sides, blinker and marker light. We've added these chrome trims on the windows up top on both sides. Chrome trim underneath the window here. We've done the bug shield, I'm sorry. And here we're gonna put a bumper on this weekend, and we're gonna get them a custom grill to add on here. We'll do that sometime soon. We'll make sure to add this in a video so you guys can see that. Looks like he's gonna need a visor. Maybe we'll put some lights in it. And like I said, we're gonna try to show you guys another video on the interior. You know, steering wheel, gear shifter, all the chrome bezels and everything like that on the dash. It's going to look really cool when we get done with it. But like I said, this is just day one, so bear with us. Okay, so we're going to redo this whole truck. We're going to change out these cabin sleeper panels. We're going to put some really good looking ones in there. He's got plans for us to add lights in here, put some kind of fenders back here, maybe some full fenders, double humps, who knows. We'll see where that goes. Yeah, we're going to change out these ugly old toolboxes for some sleek stainless ones. I'm going to put a deck plate on there. Trust me guys, by the time this truck is done, it's going to be unrecognizable. And let me throw in there, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like these videos, go ahead and hit that bell. You'll get notified every time we put out a video. We try really hard to put out 2 videos a week. Sometimes we just may not get to it, but we're going to try our best for you guys. Like I said, leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think. And we really appreciate you guys. Y'all are the reason why we do all this. Thank you.